Hey everyone, it's Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Amazon Fire Stick remote that keeps blinking orange or like red or something like that. This is the indication it's in the Bluetooth pairing mode, so maybe you're trying to reconnect back to your TV or something like that, and it just keeps blinking. So how can you cancel this out? So a lot of times I just press the home button multiple times and keep spamming different buttons, and it works. So press the home button and do that. Otherwise, what you can do is just completely reset your remote and then reconnect it back to your TV. So to reset your remote, press the back button here, the button with the three lines on it, and then the left button up top left. So let's press all three of these down, and my remote will reset after about 5 to 10 seconds. So I'm going to keep holding these three buttons down, and my Amazon Fire Stick should now be reset with my remote. So as soon as it goes back to the home little icon right there, you know your remote is reset. Now the remote isn't going to be connected, so what you want to do is remove the batteries from the back, then turn off your TV and unplug your Amazon Fire Stick, and then reconnect it. So I'm going to unplug my Fire TV Cube now, just from the wall, and it should turn off. Then I'm going to plug it back in, and when it's coming back online, I'm going to put the batteries back in and hold down the home button. So this is going to put it back into the Bluetooth pairing mode, but if you have any kind of like issue, this should go ahead and fix it. So I can see my TV's come back on. I held down the home button for about 10 seconds and I put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode. And let's see if I'm connected again. So I'm not connected, so I want to continue to hold this down. And you can see it's blinking still, so just hold this down. And it's just trying to reconnect back up to the TV. Now, if you have your TV remote for your LG TV, many times you're going to be able to use that to control your Amazon Fire Stick because of HDMI, CC, or device link. So if it's not reconnecting, you can always try using your TV remote. Choose a profile and then sign in. And after about 2 or 3 minutes, a screen should pop up says your Amazon Fire Stick remote is not connected, and it'll show you how to reconnect. And usually by that time, it just reconnects. So what I want to do is go on over to settings, and then go on down, go to controllers and Bluetooth, then select Amazon Fire TV remotes and go to add new remote and go to pair right here. So I should be able to pair just by selecting this, boom, and it should be reconnected, and you shouldn't have an issue again. So try resetting the remote, spam some buttons, and see if it's reconnected, and you should be good to go. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.